In this video, I will show you how to do split screen on Google Chrome. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Split screen on Google Chrome is a new feature as part of the newest version of Google Chrome, which allows you to split your two different websites into one tab, as you can see in the example here. So to get started with this, all you want to do first is, of course, open up a new Google Chrome browser. And once you've done that, you want to make sure that you have updated to the latest version of Google Chrome, as this feature is only available on the most recent version of Chrome. So to do that, once you've got Chrome opened, come up to the top right hand corner, click onto the three dots. From here, what you want to do is scroll down to Help down here, and then on this submenu, click onto About Google Chrome. Now, what you want to do from here, if there's an update available, it's going to start updating. As you can see in my case, there is actually an update available, but there will be a button to say update if there's an update available for you. So give that a click, and what that's going to do is update and relaunch Chrome. Now, once that's done, you should now have the option to do the split screen. So to do this, what you want to do is just come up to the tab at the top, right click onto the tab, and on the menu, you're going to see here, it says new, add tab to new split view. So give that a click, and what that's going to do is open it like this, and you're now going to have the split screen in Google Chrome. Now to actually use this, all you need to do is come and click onto each window. So you can see we've got this icon next to the address bar. If we click onto the right window, it's going to select our right hand side. And if we click onto the left, you can see the icon's going to change. So you can see we've got our left window selected. Now once you've done that, what you can do is simply enter in a web address of somewhere you want to go, for example my YouTube channel, and then what I can do is, for example, click onto this one and we can type somewhere else into here, for example ChatGPT. Now there's also a couple of things you can do with this. So once you've got your tabs opened, what you can do is come up, right click onto the tab at the top. You can see there's an option to arrange your split view. So from here, you're going to see if we hover, we get a sub menu come up. We can reverse the views like this, and we can also separate the views as well in this sub menu, so we can just have them back to on two separate tabs. So that's a quick overview on how to do split screen on Google Chrome. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.